Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will draw and color a tuna in a striking and impressive way. Let's begin the drawing. Tuna are well known for their endurance and their ability to swim continuously for long periods of time. Their bodies are designed for speed in the water, with powerful tails and strong, efficient swimming movements. Tuna usually live in large schools and migrate across vast ocean regions. They play an important role in the marine ecosystem. When drawing a tuna, balanced lines and a solid, streamlined shape help create a harmonious illustration. This makes tuna an excellent subject for practicing basic marine fish drawing. Now, let's start coloring. And just like that, we have finished drawing and coloring the tuna. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel.